Hey guys, so for 8 to 12 months, add variety and increase thickness and lumpiness of the food. So add meats and stews with the meat cut up small. Add yogurt, cheese, cottage cheese, and mild or raw hard cheeses. Yogurt cheese is cheese made from yogurt. I've never even heard of that before. Steamed veggie sticks, avocado chunks, salmon eggs, pieces of banana and peeled fruit, fermented sauerkraut and pickles. The author likes the brand Bubby's, or make your own from the site Cultures for Health. Fermented sauerkraut, I've made that before. It's actually fairly easy to make. And then cod liver oil, half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon daily. And then after 1 year, add grains, legumes, nut butters, greens, and nitrate-free bacon. The author recommends einkorn, I don't know, grain or sprouted grains that are not enriched. And if you're a little more advanced in the kitchen, and don't feel bad if you're not, took the author a long time to be okay in her kitchen. There are 3 recipes from Young Living Gold Rachel DeValk. She made these recipes in the blender, froze them in ice cube trays, and has enough food for a month after just 1 morning in the kitchen. So, the first recipe, which would be the first food, is what's called egg yum-yums. 30 hard-boiled egg yolks, and you don't want to use the whites yet because the whites are apparently an allergen. Add 5 tablespoons of liquid cod liver oil. It smells and tastes awful, but is so good for them. Just plug your nose and do it. Sprinkle lightly with Celtic or Himalayan sea salt, and then thin it with breast milk while blending in the blender. Freeze in ice cube trays. This recipe will fill 2 ice cube trays for 28 servings. And after a year old, continue with the cod liver oil, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons at this point. The data on foods that, hang on, nope, hang on. Oh, no, I'm on the right spot. The data on what foods baby needs in the first year was collected by a survey of thousands of childbirthing and breastfeeding practices in 186 different non-industrial cultures. These kids had perfect teeth, healthy guts, strong immune systems, and no exposure to processed foods. Their rates of childhood cancer were virtually non-existent. The recipes the author is providing are from what they ate. So recipe 2, meat yum-yums, which is to be added to recipe 1 when they are ready for larger portions. Any meat pureed with equal parts bone broth and breast milk and a pinch of Celtic sea salt. Cook on the stove, puree, add liquids, and freeze into silicone ice cube trays. Defrost 1 cube each day as needed on the stove top, not the microwave. If you pull it out 20 minutes early and put it on warm in a saucepan, it's perfect. All right, and then we'll go over recipe 3 and continue on with the class tomorrow.